Hi, in this video, we will see how to scrape data from any website using a tool called All-in-One Website Scraper. This tool allows you to scrape data from any specific website or every website which has submitted on search engine, or you can select specific social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, etc. It will scrape both email addresses and contact numbers, and the best part is it doesn't require that much CPU usage or any high configuration PC. If you just have i3 or i5 processor with normal 4GB or 8GB RAM, you're good to go. Plus, this software doesn't have any licensing foundation, which means you just need to download this software once and you can use it in n number of systems. To download this software, please find the link in the video's description. Once you downloaded the software, you just simply need to extract it and open the folder. When you look at this folder, you will see there are 6 files. Out of these 6 files, you will find the driver for Chrome browser and also a video about how to install the Chrome driver. Also, there's a documentation guide, but you won't need it as you're already watching the demonstration video of this software. What you need to do is simply double-click this .exe file. When you open it, you will see an interface like this. First, a splash screen will appear for a few seconds. After that, you will see options like this, starting with a keyword prompt. Here, you can click on Edit to define your keywords. Keywords just mean the type of data you want from people. For example, I have defining web hosting here, because I need to scrape data of a web hosting companies. In such case, this is a relevant keyword because generally the meta information of the hosting company's websites are like web hosting company or web hosting provider, so there's a high accuracy of data. If you have added a keyword by mistake, you can simply select it from here and delete. And if you want to delete all the added keywords at once, you can simply click here, Clear All. Or if you want, instead of manually adding the keywords, you want bulk multiple keywords, you can simply upload a TXT file as each keyword in separate line format. After that, you can click here to close this keyword tab and it will automatically gonna saved it. Next, it asks for the phone number country. Here, I am selecting the United States, but you can select any of the available countries. After that, it will ask email types. Here, you will see public emails like etc. If you select public emails, these types will be scraped. And custom domains, besides these common ones, business emails with custom domains will be scraped. In the website source, if you go with this option, it will crawl all the websites contains your provided keyword till the page limit which you have set and the information which is available it will fetch. If you select any of this social media platforms, it will run the scraper with a specific condition that it will only fetch the information based on their social media. But if you have any specific URL which has a lot of data, like for example you want data from only or any directory or such website, then you can select that option and provide that URL and it will only scrape data of your provided keyword inside that website or URL which you've provided only. So this is what its name suggests, it's an all-in-one scraper. Anyways, it asks for the Google location, similar to how we define the location in Google Filters and Settings. So, I am selecting the United States here, but you can select any of the available countries. Next, it asks for the number of pages to start with, meaning which page you want to begin the scraping from. It will then run a query on Google, using the browser, and ask from which search result page to start and up to which page to extract. I think for this demo video, 5 pages of crawling and scraping the data is good enough. After that, it asks me for the path where the extracted data will be saved. Now, we need to define the file name. It's better to keep a relevant file name since I assume you will be scraping data with different keywords. But I'm going with the default name. Also, you can select the format of data. If you want an Excel format, you're good to go with the default selected option, or if you wish to export it in HTML, you can select it from here. Now, the most important setting in the browser section is that Chrome is set by default. But before selecting Chrome here, you first need to install the Chrome driver, which is already included in the zip file along with the installation tutorial. However, I haven't done that yet, so I will select Firefox here. After this, click on Next Step. If you want to change anything, you can click on Back and make the necessary changes. If you don't want to change anything, we click on the Start Process button. Once I click on Start Process, I need to click OK because this disables all browser alerts. Like, when you open the browser, there might be some inputs required, like setting it as default, etc. Clicking OK bypasses all these and directly starts the query process. Now, this will take some time, but this software is very fast, so it doesn't take much time to scrape the data. The scraping has started, and as you can see on my screen, we are getting the data one by one. We just need to wait a little until it finishes completely. The data has been scraped. And as we defined the location as the desktop and set the file name, it has exported both of these to our desired location. Unfortunately, MS Excel is not installed on this PC, so I cannot open and show you the files. However, it has given us the data in Excel format. If we want to view it within the software itself, you might be wondering why we defined 5 pages in the search results and expected at least 30 to 50 rows of data, but it only gave us 6 to 7 rows of data. Here's something to understand. It ran a query on Google and fetched publicly available data. It used the OR operator, which means we needed only those companies' information, both mobile phone numbers and email addresses. Plus, generally, companies' emails are on their custom business domains, but we have selected free public domain, so we got only one email. Since only this piece of information were publicly available across the 5 pages, that's why we received such a small amount of data. If you want to scrape more data at one time, you need to enter a lengthy number of pages, like 100 or something. Then only then will it fetch a substantial amount of data. However, this was just for demo purposes to show how the software works. If you need this software, again, the download link is available in the video description. You can download it from there. Thank you for your time.